me that thing. Robot. Call. This dude is an asshole to me, but he likes that babe that's with me. Which is ironic because she's the annoying one, and I don't even say anything. Master Short Pants, watch carefully while I demonstrate what a real hero looks like. Bzah! Oh, jackass.
Boop, 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 boop.
Okay.
Holy shit, thank you. Didn't realize that's what I needed to do. Came all this way for container, some water. I figure, hey, I'm gonna go sightseeing this time.
Oh my goodness, look at the bubbles.
You can't wait there. Oh, okay.
What's up? Maybe you can if you're a boss.
That kind of
To this guy.
angular movement.
That was some Smash Bros stuff right there.
You just like that, and just grabbed it.
What time is it?
6:04.
Ah, we're good. Where's the nearest boost station?
There's your one. You are bad at this.
I just like to curve when I fly, because that's what birds do. So you actually make it into the thing.
What?
Dude, he's hauling. This is a 20-minute.
20 minutes of fucking nothing.
Wow. Why am I over here? Shouldn't I be in front of the...
You gotta escort him.
Oh my god. What's up, bro? You know you're about to get shot, right? You guys? You know the ones with metal shields? You can actually jump over their shield? Like you, yeah, you can climb it like a wall.
Makes sense.
It was an accident. Okay, little dude, just shut up. I'm just raging right now.
Go.
This way?
I think it's quicker.
Nope, do not want to be doing that.
Are you know what it does? Oh, fuck.
Y'all niggas up.
Ah.
Wow, whiffed. I just want my bow and arrow. Why don't I get fire arrows? Shit.
What holy arrows that, man?
Yeah, those would be even cool.
Oh.
Are you
My
kidding
God.
me? So, oh my god. Why don't you sit around here and think about what you did wrong, Link? He's like, what the fuck?
Really?
Yeah, really.
I died in 3 arrows.
Maybe when you got the God bow.
I can never use the 2 things. No time, man.
I don't know how that works. I just shake the remote. That's what I do.
It's so fucking annoying.
Is he like screaming about something?
I'm just being a jerk. So shaky.
You gotta shoot higher. Oh, there's another one.
What?
Wow.
Oh, we're crazy or nothing.
My Wiimote's fucked up. I can't do this. Yes, I can. I think I'm almost there. Is it this way?
Yeah.
Whoops. Is that another one? Oh no, that's it. I can't move. You're in front of me. I need some more arrows. What's that? Don't. Ah! That was funny. Never done that before. See ya. Shut up. Really? Do you really have to wait for him?
What the hell?
What do you need?
Wow, really?
Bug. Oh my god, fire bats. They're all over me. Okay.
Well, it sure is hot in here. It's only a fucking volcano. Aw, he's like, I know what you're doing.
Seriously? Wow, those guys are badass.
He's right through your shenanigans.
But does he see right through a bomb? How do I ignite this thing? Wow.
Okay.
Ah! I thought I had a little bit more time.
Just go across the bridge. Okay, never mind. Can't do that. Go fight them.
Well, they're distracted. Does that mean I can shoot them?
Danger, Blue Rock. Danger.
Ha! Triumph. That little robot, actually useful. Don't care about lizard tails. Don't. I really, really don't. Nope.
613.
Get your head out of the water.
Oh, maybe the last area.
Well, I'm basically there, aren't I? It's just in here. Plus, I got slingshot.
Got a slingshot.
I know. That was a whiff. I got this shotgun one too. Perfect. Number of arrows. Well, we're here. Yeah, that's exactly what I want you to do. Told you to bring that thing over here for a reason. Wow, he just whiffed.
Just dropped it.
He doesn't know how to turn it. I calculate that there's a 99% chance that the door just opened.